Praisers and Savers. I got the squad here, and they've got their tiny carts. Their little tiny cart. And we're gonna get some deals. We're gonna do some couponing. Let's get some groceries. This deal is still going on for the buy 10 save. 50 cents each. They are 49 cents for each box of pasta. I'm gonna pick up 5 more boxes for my family. Oh, I forgot to say, no coupons needed for this deal. I'm gonna grab some more of this chicken broth for 69 cents a can. You can also get the beef broth if you want that instead. I'm gonna pick up 5 of those. No coupons needed. Really great deal on the Campbell's cream of mushroom and cream of chicken soup, 75 cents. Part of the spend 10 this week. No coupons needed on these either. All right, great deal on the Capri Suns again this week. They're $1.79. Stock up for summer. No coupons needed on those. The Pringles are still on sale for 99 cents. There are some IBOTTA rebates out there for the scorching and also I think the wavy ones. I don't see the wavy ones. Here they are. The wavy. There's an IBOTTA rebate on those, and there's also like a Pringles bonus. My kids don't like those. They just like the regular ones. I'm gonna stick with the regular ones, but 99 cents for a can of Pringles is pretty good. What do you see, Hannah? Peanut butter pretzels, yummy. All right, guys, pick you up some Pringles for 99 cents. All right, guys, I do not have a baby, but I do have a baby nephew, and the Gerber Puffs are on sale for $1.49 with the 50-cent deal this week. Also, if you don't want those, you can get the Crunchies down there. There is a printable coupon on coupons.com to buy 4, save $1.50. So it's like you're getting one of them for free when you do this deal. So check that out. You're getting 4 of these for $4.50. So the small spaces here at Kroger are $2.49, and we have a buy one get one free coupon. So we're getting both of those for $2.49. I think this is a little bit better deal than the CVS if you do not do the spend 40 get $10 back. All right, so we have so far, excluding the Dove chocolate that she brought in herself and Hannah's cart. So we have, all right, let's go check out and see how much we spent today. She's guessing something.
I'm guessing the price.
Okay, what's the price?
What do you think the price is? Probably like $10.
$10.
Mine's $15 to $20.
$15 to $20. So one says $10, one says $15 to $20.
So mine's all the way to 14.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
And if I like get some, and behind me, and all the way to
gotcha.
that as well.
Yeah.
Front and behind.
Mine's front and behind.
I gotcha. Let's go. We're at $43.84. Let's put in our Kroger Plus card in our coupons. All right, guys, I just left Kroger, and my total, this wind is blowing hard, after coupons and my Kroger Plus card was $23. So I saved about 50% on today's order. I haven't done my IBOTTA or my Fetch yet, so I'll let you know when I get home what those look like. But I am excited because I did get a Catalina, and this Catalina printed off. If you buy 6 of the Gerber meals or snacks or whatever, you get $1.50 off. But then on top of that, I also got another Gerber Catalina for 50 cents off my next purchase. So I can use this whenever I use my coupon as well. So you can use both of these. So I'm excited about that. So when I get home, I'll let you guys know about my Fetch and my IBOTTA rewards.